Okay, we are bearish as fuck. Alright, bang. Check out the weekly, the monthly. See if we have a target. I would like to see this monthly low at some point. Alright, check out the weekly. A little internal weekly here. Yep, gonna look for some shorts today. And those markets have been moving fast. Silver and whatnot. Alright, let's see if we can get a fair value gap retest. Market opens up in 4 minutes. I want to see shorts. Damn, these are big ranges. Like, if we even catch like a moderately straightforward, no bullshit move, like that's what kind of day we could have. But, let's see. That inside bar on the hourly is kind of concerning. So, we might need to resweep this. Maybe like tap into this OB. Like, get jiggy with that block. We'll see though. Got up today, took the baby to the sitter, did some dishes, changed the oil in my car, do a laundry, all in the span of like an hour and a half. Got my coffee. I'm primed. I'm ready. We do have a little gap here. Yeah, it's at a 928 volatility. Yeah, this monthly low would be a big stretch. Like, honestly, like, so that low of day would be ideal, perfect. But, let's see. We do have a lot of, like, low resistance liquidity here. So I'm not totally, like, out of shorts. Like, I'm saying, like, we could long and take out all of this of today. But we are creating, like, a bearish fair value gap. So we could come down, take that out, trade up into this gap maybe later within, like, the next week or so, and then we could push back down. Alright, let's focus. Let's figure out what we want to do. Alright, let's get jiggy with it. Yeah, Because if we're bullish, then that means I want to get out here. Do we have news today? Say the 5th? Jolt's job openings? These aren't really good. I'm not too worried. Alright, so we took... Well, I don't like that we don't have a top wick here. But we did tap into that fair value gap. We also swept our low of day. Pretty hands off right now. Because even taking that low to that high is $1,000 stop loss, and I'm not okay with that. I need something better. I also need this 5-minute candle to print. You know, we could sweep and reject. Because if we sweep this and reject and the 5-minute closes within this gap, then I might take like a retracement lower using that this candle is the, you know, the candle to go, you know, up from, and then we could take longs up into this area, into this, you know, fair value gap. These last couple of days, the market has just been just straight, like no manipulation, just straight bam. Yeah. See if we can get a bottom wick forming here. Damn. We tap into something? Slight bullish fair value gap here. It's kind of holding price. Little OB. Kind of going against my model right now. I could get burned. But I like this internal manipulation. God. That hurts. This isn't the best RR. Tapping back into this inverse fair value gap. I'm gonna see if we can get a close out of here. Because for me to look for shorts now, I would need this 5 minutes to get swept, and if it gets swept, then that would mean that we are absolutely screwed. So I would need this market to come back up a little higher, take a low, and then damn. Do have a bearish gap here, but I'm hoping price just keeps pumping. Gonna push up higher, I'll move this. If we push up higher in that previous 5 second, I'll move it to that low. Because that would mean that the majority of my position would be covered from all the losses that I just took. But now we are in the supply area that I was talking about. So like this 5 minute OB could hold us go down because we are in this bearish gap. Alright. I could be wrong trying to hold my position there, but if it does come down here and take this out, then that would mean that my my thought process was good. But now that this 5 minute has started to push higher, Kind of going against my trading plan, but this going on, that's there. The high of that 5 minute also is the like 50% of this hourly range, like hourly fair value gap. So it's kind of a hefty stop loss though. This would put me back in the same position that I was in, but knowing that we kind of just tapped in and we didn't take it, I I'm not 100% sure. Like if we took this and then took a super low time frame draw, I would hop in short. But the fact that we just made equal highs, I'm not okay with it because then we can come back down. Tapping into equilibrium. This inverse fair value gap probably isn't going to be, worth watching or saving or whatever. I can kind of see where I would like to see price go. Yeah, we do have this like high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Mm. Ideally, you would like to see this fair value gap hold. But from here to here with my stop loss, 60, 70, that's like 1400 bucks. And to be honest with you, I do not want to take that. So I'll see if I can get an entry in here, take a short. We also have this like 15-minute breaker block here. Just trying to stack reasons to take a trade. Are we not? Oh wait, never mind. I'm retarded. This is the same 5 minute candle. I was like, why is this not a... Alright, boom. I still want to see lower prices. We are retracing though. This is actually the first day that I've seen like price actually do what it's supposed to do. It's just weird that it did take this low. But liquidity, liquidity. If we can take this high, I can move my entry to here. I just need it to wick it. That's it. Liquidity doesn't need to get a candle closure, it just needs to get a wick. Alright. Bang. And then we should get like a really aggressive reaction from that. If I'm correct. Which the stop on it would be so much nicer. Yeah. Take out this low. So this would be nice if we could take this to the low. Getting some indecision going on. Market's pretty chill for the most part. If this holds and we start taking these lows, at least I might be able to average into my order. But if this is still bullish, then I should get stopped out. Taking out this low would be nice. That'll like make me feel like we'll go lower. But with this shift, let's also the 15-second. I want to give it a little more warm, but Jesus. Well, if you wanted to get out, that was your fucking shot. Like, Jesus Christ. Yeah, but if we do come all the way down here, though, that would mean that my model is getting ready to present itself. But if I can get up here in like this like premium area, that'd be great. I also probably should keep my shit back where it was, but just so I can collect data. Hmm. Puts me back at 12 hundo. Better than what I started with. You know what? No, wait. Nah. Back to trading price. It just keeps like manipulating, manipulating, dumping, manipulating, dumping. I want to give it a shot. It's just, you let me down, home slice. Like, what the? Are we that bullish? This swept this low. So there's no point for price to come back down and resweep it if it's not going to dump. The only thing that sucks though is it is kind of a mean stop. This might be one of those days where like I ruin myself because I want to see something but it's not happening. Like it could happen later. The only way for this model to work though, I have to, you know, get a bunch of data. But it's slowing down. Like it's doing that like curve where it's like it wants to start turning. I just don't know how many times it needs to take a high. Like it's losing steam. It's kind of frustrating. All right. See, look, it just takes it and it dumps. Takes it, dumps, takes it, dumps, takes it, like, just, like, just go short, dude. Also, another problem is I'm down a bunch because I'm not sticking to what I wanted to see. Because for realistically, oh god, click the random button on my mouse. If I get stopped out, because I didn't wait an additional fucking 2 minutes, you know, at the end of the day, it's my fault, bro. I should have waited. It's just manipulation, dump, reverse. Alright, get that this is the gap. Get rid of some of these drawings. Kind of wanted, I took a equilibrium retrace on the 5 minute since we took that low. Just in case you guys were wondering why I took it or trying something new. Like I know this stuff works. It's just if we take this low, it'll average my order to about here. So I'm just hoping it holds. Like we just push through all this bullishness. This is honestly where I'm gonna start getting worried once we get this. I just need it to go lower though. I don't want it to push that much higher. Okay. sit and hold, sit and hold. Yeah, honestly, this gap is the only gap that I'm worried about. Because this could ruin the entire trade. But honestly, if we take this low, I'm not going to be worried anymore. But it's just being in here. Being within this area, like this is usually where price will come back and respect. If we're right on the bearish price action, we should push through all of this. I just need to take a chill pill. I don't know if I should play it safe and take a base hit here. You know what? I can actually do this. Ready? Bam. This is nerve-wracking. Because I could pull this out and make 1300 on the day. But if I stuck to my fucking model... Ah, it's new... Ah, fuck. It's the new hour. That's so scary. Yeah, please... Yeah, please keep one lower. Yeah, just dump. Just... How much is this? So here, I'll take a piece off and then I'll shoot for that low. I'll take a low of day entry, like target takeout. Damn, but part of me wants me to just take this. Nah, I'll never forgive myself if I take 600 bucks. I really hope low of day isn't gonna save this whole thing. If we take this low, I'll move my, I'll move this bar to this high. Because at that point, I'm not gonna want to see this 5 minute like print lower. Like I don't want it to come up higher. Because this is usually a propulsion block, meaning that the price could come down, take this, like trade into this area, and then come back up. So if we take this, I'll move myself to here. But this was some area of liquidity. Oh, this was just low of day. Never mind. If we make a new low of day, that would be sick. Hey man, say what I said. I don't want to though. I'm already like at a good. I'm already like at a good price. Like I don't want to like. This is like one of those like super difficult fucking decisions. Because if I take off one now, I'll be positive, but I don't know if it'll move my fucking entry. And if it does, then I'm clearing the whole thing. But the new 5 minute opened up, so we could see like a retracement up into here, and then see price go lower. That's kind of ambitious though. I hate that this happened though. This this should have never happened. God, that frustrates me. This should have never happened. Like I'd be that plus that up, you know. Well, you know, because this is gonna come out of this. Just take the position. It's literally 20 points away. Like we moved 230 points. You might as well take it. Now, does this move? Take the fucking low. Take it. Yes. Good candlestick. Does this move? I want to know if this... Motherfucker! I want to see if this moves. If this moves, I'm going to be low-key upset. But I want to know how much it moves. I'm going to put a line here. Yo. Yo, I will break off a contract right now. I hate this fucking... That wasn't really the low. That's actually the low. Take it. Because if it doesn't move, then I can leave my shit at break even, and I can let this bitch ride all day. Oh, that's not bad. Oh yeah, let it ride. I'm already up. Fucking... Put this in the dub chat. Did we take a daily low yet? Oh no, we didn't. Oh no, man. I'm just greedy, I guess. That's fine. How long's this video been going for? Is it not gonna tell me how long this video's been going for? I don't know where to leave this. Like, as much as I want to be a person that lets runners run, you know what? I should do this. Oh no. Sorry. Each slot is a day. Here, how about we take it to that? Take it to that 4 hour low. Put this back on the 60 minute. Yeah, I have no idea how long this. Oh, this video's been going for 48 minutes. Not gonna lie, this is like a super chill descent. Kind of, I'm mostly upset because I should have had a lot of accounts going, you know? Like, I should have been quadrupling this money today. But, but man, if I gotta do it with one account, I'll do it with one account. I'll, whatever it takes, I guess. This market's low-key looking like it's losing steam. The moment I say it, it just dumps more. uh, I think this was the daily low, though. Was that the daily low? Yeah, it's the daily low. So we took a daily low. We're within this gap. If I averaged my order, it would put me about here.
Amigo.
Yo,
Hello, amigo.
who dis?
It's Adrian.
That's not.
Yes, it is.
No,
Yeah, I changed my name. What are you talking about?
no. I'm fighting between two demons right now in me.
What, are you playing the game right now?
No. No, I'm just price action.
Wow, you said two demons right now.
Yeah, just the part of me that says let's close the trade now and make 5,500 on the day, or let it ride.
Do you want to let it ride?
Yeah, if I let it ride, I make 10.
You should let it ride.
Yeah, but like I have two in the bag, like it's already secured. I have another position that if it flips and reverses on me, I'll make another 4,400, which will put me at like 6,800. Or if I let it ride, which I'll make another 6,600. So I might get stopped out
Yeah,
though for this $4,400 stop.
4,400.
Yeah,
Damn, it's raining outside. I hate that.
and I'm done. I'm out of the move. Yo, it was fucking dicey today.
Where's all my coins? Give me all my fucking coins now. I'm
Fuck,
tired of you having my coins.
fucking Jew.
Give me. Where's my bucket of coins? Why you put it? No, 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 no more. Where's my bucket, Mama? Melody, I'm talking to you. Where's my bucket? Oh my god, girl. Where's my bucket of coins? Give me now. You need to stop taking this. No, enough with it. Give me all the coins now. Put them here. They're all in the bucket. All my coins, Mama. Are there any more over there? Let me see. Over there. I'm talking over there. Where is it? Check. Yeah, check. Not in your house? Well, I'm gonna start playing that game right now.
Mm. Yeah, I'm done.
That game
I
is fun.
I might not. Oh my. Oh shit.
What?
Oh shit.
What?
I'm back up to where I was before I started taking L's and fucking payouts. Oh my god.
Oh, Berkey, look at her butt. You
for
know,
for I have only dreamed of this day.
Let me see. Let me see. 6,497.
Yep. Week 1, 10 grand.
Yeah, the heck is Ethan? You happy now?
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. What? Oh.
You happy now? You're making money.
Yeah, dude. Fuck. It took a whole fucking year to like figure out like what the fuck worked.
Happy's for you, dog.
Huh?
Now you can pay off your debt.
Yeah. What's crazy though was I was down 2,700 before I turned around and made 6,500.
Yeah,
Like
that's
look
why
at
you
this
should stay
fucking
straight.
look at this equity curve. L, L, dub, and then I took another L, another L, another L, another L. I was down 2,800, and then from 2,800 I made 6,500. Like that was a $9,000 drop. But what's crazy though is this entire time I'm fucking losing money all the way to my largest down of the day. I wasn't even like doing anything in my fucking model, like nothing.
Yeah.
So I
Well,
literally could have made an extra $2,800 a day, and
you gotta wait.
I
You
just
gotta wait.
I threw myself under a bus.
Give me a couple minutes. I'll go downstairs. Give me a couple minutes. We'll go downstairs.
And honestly, a part of my model, I didn't even follow my model with my initial entry. Like I took a
Oh, you should be- oh,
like I got in way early.
you got away early and fucking made money.
Yeah, man. I changed the oil in my car. I did my dishes. Started laundry. Did a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna lock out before I decide to take any more trades and lose my $6,500. All right, market 610, 910. I'll see you at 910
9, 10 at night or in the morning?
in the morning. But a models is presenting itself right now.
Right now.
But realistically, I would be entering for double the contract size, and with a 64-point stop loss, which is absolutely fucking ridiculous, I would be
I think
risking $2,500 to
I
probably
think
make an additional three bands.
I think I should like put some money into trades and start doing that shit.
It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of fucking like dedication. Like realistically, I've been trading for like 5 years, 6 years, but like last year and like obviously because I started 2 years ago, like halfway into the year, where it was like just me and John, and then me and John started trading, and for about like a 15-month period, I dialed in every day trading, learning, looking for patterns, and just trading and trading and trading and trading and figuring out what works and how to set stop losses and this, that, and the third. And then it was just the beginning of this year where it was like, this is what we're gonna do, and I did that exact thing, and then just from fucking the beginning of January to now has just been fucking. I'm absolutely reaping. Like if you take, I don't know when in December, but until February. What's today, the 5th? Like I've made in a 2 month period 18 grand.
15 grand a month.
No, within the 2 months. So like I made 9,000 a month. Except for this month, obviously, because this month I ran up 10,000.
Yeah.
And that's with me pulling out 8,000, like, or I pulled out 5,000 out of my account, and this doesn't really register my thing, but see, like, this is my account equity, where I started in, right before Christmas, and then I ran it up to 7,000. I was like, hell yeah, and then it dropped to about 5,000, then it went up to like 10,000, and then I pulled out 50% of my account, and then I took two back-to-back losses. They were like 4,000, 2,500, and I was like, fuck it, man. I'm just gonna do whatever I gotta do. And then last week was like a break-even week where I had a high, and then I lost it all, and I made like $100, which I was fucking morbidly pissed about. And then I didn't trade Friday, Monday, Tuesday. They're all like break-even days. And then this week Tuesday ran up 2,400. Yesterday was a band. Today was 6,500. So I just like fucking what I did in the very beginning. I'm doing it again. And I'm realizing the first week of the month is usually my best week. That's fucking diabolical. I could request a payout. I probably should request
So
this shit now. I'll still have about 8,000 in my account, so I'm not I'm not gonna be worried about it. Accounts. Someone told me that I should do something different. This account uses legacy payout rules. 8 winning days since last payout. I got 13 more days before they move me to live. Fuck. It's a race.
It's a race.
It's a race. Due to increased volatility, trading restrictions have been placed on gold, silver, platinum. I forget what NG is. I don't know what QG is. Yeah, that's crazy.